Good morning, guys. So today I wanted to share with you what I'm eating today. I just woke up and finished working out, and this little girl finished watching her little read with me or you can read DVD. So anyways, so I'm looking like a hot mess, but it's mom life for you. So for this morning, I actually made just a bowl of oatmeal, but I added in almonds, chia seeds, flaxseed, raisins. I also chopped up a little bit of a pear and added that in, and then some cinnamon as well. And I do like my oatmeal pretty thick in the morning. I find it's very filling, and I'm not eating unhealthy snacks when I do that. And Addie, I can see your little hand. Oh honey, that's not for you. So let me just kind of explain why I put these things in. The almonds add more protein for me. Cinnamon helps with insulin resistance. Chia seeds are high in antioxidants. Flaxseed is really high in fiber, so it keeps you regular. The raisins I specifically use to just really kind of give it some flavor, or some sweetness I should say. And then the pears I've also put in for sweetness and flavor. And then I'm also, oh, you can see our reflection. Hey, hey. I'm also making myself a cup of tea. I think this morning I'm actually going to do green tea instead of my normal rooibos. It's about 10:40 and I'm a little hungry. So I decided to do some apples and almond butter. Surprise, surprise. This is by far my go-to snack. Super easy and really filling, I find. I like all the fiber in the apples and the protein in the almond butter. Alright guys, it is lunchtime, and today I'm trying the Daiya Deliciously Dairy-Free Alfredo style cheesy macs. It's gluten and soy, dairy, lactose free. Obviously it's in packaging, but I can recycle the box, and the only thing that comes in plastic is the sauce that it's in. So the noodles aren't packaged in plastic, so it's pretty minimal low waste trash. And on days when I haven't meal prepped for the week and I'm home alone with my daughter, she has like a very short attention span, and I mean, any parent probably knows, like, you don't have time to make like meals, so you just need something quick and easy, and this is quick and easy. I really like the brand Daiya. I have tried several other products now, and I've not been disappointed by any of them. And I'm so sorry if you can hear all the crazy kid music in the background. My daughter's playing right now.
Come on, and sit along. Guys, make us the sight. We wear the black and white.
Alright guys, this is the final product for my lunch today. It's the Alfredo kind of mac and cheese. The texture is super similar to like a regular mac and cheese or Alfredo sauce, and I just added a bit more pepper. You can see the steam coming off of it because it's like so hot right now, so I'm gonna let it cool for a bit. And then I need to drink more water. I'm gonna get through this like for lunch. I have to, absolutely have to. But yeah, that's my lunch. Definitely not the healthiest, but I still think it's pretty yummy. Alright guys, so for dinner I am having tacos, and I use lettuce instead of flour or corn tortillas as my tortilla. I do have a little bit of queso, a little bit of cheese, salsa, avocado, and then it's made with ground beef, black beans that I had already pre-made, so I just defrosted them and threw them in, onion, and then it's seasoned with this taco seasoning and onion, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And that is the finished product. I'm very hungry, so I think this is going to be very, very delicious. So I hope you guys got some inspiration for some really quick, easy, allergen-friendly meals. I am gluten, dairy, and soy-free, and each of these meals that I made today took no more than 15 minutes to make per meal. So I think my oatmeal was about 5 minutes, lunch was 10, and dinner was 15. I had pre-cooked the black beans and defrosted the meat beforehand, so it was all very quick and easy to throw it into one pot and make it. So anyways, I hope that was inspirational for you to get healthy and eat well, and maybe have a, mac and cheese here and there. I hope you enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day Wednesday. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I drop a What I Eat video every Wednesday, and then my other content is dropped every Sunday, so I'd love to have you subscribe.